Hello, Fierce Up. So for this video, I am going to share with you my Pandora Earrings Collective Haul. So they're right here, and then I am going to categorize them from stud earrings, and then we have the composed earring charms, composed earring hooks, and then lastly, the Pandora hanging earrings. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, Fierce Love. So this is the first part of my earrings collection. So I'm categorizing them from stud earrings, composed post, and then hanging earrings. On this part, you are seeing my Pandora earrings collection. The studs are right there, and these are the hanging ones. But the other ones are not here yet. And then I have here my from my previous haul, the earrings organizer, because I plan to organize my Pandora earrings to this one after I filmed this haul video, which took so long. I have them for so long already, and some of them I haven't used, some of them I used already, but I wanted to show them to you first so I can finally enjoy them, because it was just here on this inside this Pandora box, and have some more other items inside here that I haven't shown you yet, which I should be doing that soon too. But nonetheless, let's start with the stud earrings right here. So this one is a very pretty earring, and this is called the Pandora Snowflake stud earrings with clear cubic zirconia. So it's very nice snowflake. And this is just so perfect for the winter time. And I have been rocking this all winter actually. As usual, the cap has a 925 on it. This is a older Pandora, so this one doesn't have the ALE, but some of the newer caps have ALE on their on it already, but this old ones still just have the 925. But you see there 925 ALE for this one. And then I have this too, which I spent hours and hours looking for old catalogs, checking it online, and I really cannot see the names of this one. So if any of you watching and knows the names, then please comment down below. But let's go ahead and start with this one here. It's a flower Pandora earring with a pink cubic zirconia in the middle. And this is quite hefty. It has a weight to it. As you see, it's thick. And that's what I love about the old Pandoras, because they have very good quality. So if we go ahead and check inside here, oh, but this one has 925 ALE on it, right there. And then the hallmark is right there, 925 ALE. I have it in two colors. I don't know how many colors Pandora released for this one, but I have it also in clear cubic zirconia right here, and that's just about the same as how it looks. 925 ALE and 925 ALE right there. So those are the three stud earrings that I have, and let's move on to the Compose earrings. All right, so now we are on the second part of this earrings haul, and you see here charms, and these are actually for composed earrings. So I will let you know how to do a composed earrings later, and then we just show you the charms. And then first we have this one right here, and this is called the Pandora Charm Wanda's Garden 2 with gray moonstone. So they're just so stunning. You know what? I have this also in Amythest, but if you have been following my Pandora videos, I lost one entire thingy. I will show you right now. So I turned on the lights, and then I put all of my composed earrings here right now, and this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I already mentioned this on my previous video that I lost the entire composed earring, like all of these. So yeah, and it's so sad. Hopefully I could like see them being sold once again, so I could like complete it again. But yeah, that's about it. And then for the second one right here, this is called the Pandora Charm Amethyst Drop. So Looks like a droplet, like so. And it has amethyst right there. And you know how much I love, love, love amethyst. And in fact, I am wearing my amethyst rings right here. This is not amethyst, but this is still a very nice purple one. So I wore it today. All right, let's go back. So this next one right here is called the Pandora White Fresh Water Cultured Pearl. So long, the name. Large Charmed Drop. So many names on the Google, so I put them all down. I wrote them all down. One other name is Teardrop and Pearl Earring Pendant. Yeah, so that's like really, really nice, especially when it's hanging onto your ears. Just like so lovely. The next one right here is just a pretty one, and this is called the Pandora Charm Lacey Teardrop Hoop. So you see some lace there, or a lace design, and this is a little bit bigger than the other ones. So that's about it for those. And then I have some that are still on the plastic. This is also used to be, of course, in the plastic, but I used this one on a video. So yeah, that's why I lost the plastic for that one. So let's go back to another Compose earring charm with a pearl. It's called the Pandora Champagne Cultured Pearl. So it has a champagne colored cultured pearl over there. So pretty, like when it's hanging, like oh my gosh. Yeah, first we start with my favorite, and it's this one right here. Okay, and this beauty is called the Pandora Charm Pink Opal Bouquets. So they look like a bouquet, and we have this nice pink opal there. As usual, it's hefty. You can really feel the weight of this one. 925 ALE over there. Just so pretty. Stunning even at the back. It's like really nice. And wow, these are so beautiful also. And this is called the Pandora Charm Smoked Quartz Bouquet. So we have smoked quartz over there. Look at how cool that is. Wow, that's like so stunning. Another cult favorite stone is a moonstone. So this one is called the Pandora Charm Moonstone Bouquets. So we have moonstone there. Moonstone is my mom's birthstone for June. So there. Just one last thing for this Compose Earrings Charms is this one right here. And this is called the Pandora Silver Pendant Pink Opal. So we have pink opal right there. And yeah, these are pink opals too. But this is more pinky. And maybe I was wrong. Maybe these are not pink opal. But yeah, these are pink opals because I got the name from this one actually. All right, so that's about it for the Compose earring charms, and let's move on to the next one. So I have here 5 composed earrings post or composed post, and we are starting off with this one, and I have this already before, and I just grabbed myself a backup. So the one that I have before is right here. And yeah, this is from the Wanda's Garden collection also. This is two tones. So we have a black spinel right there in the middle of the petals. And then we have 14K gold detailing. It's quite oxidized and just so stunning. It's so beautiful. So this came about the same time that this one came also. And the next one is right here, which is a pretty cool design. And this is called the Pandora Swirl Hook Earrings. So it's swirled. You see this swirly things right here. Yeah, and that's so cool. So that's how it is on the side and the front. Now I have here about the same, but this one doesn't have those extra design, just a plain one. And this one is called the Pandora Hook Earrings. Yes. Here, this one is something that is new, and I do not have anything like this in my collection. Some I have duplicates, but this is the only one I have of this type of hook, and it's called the sparkling hook earrings. It's so stunning. So we have a cubic zirconia there, and it's like this. So this hooks the earrings different in a different way as compared to this one, as you see. So this is going on the front, and this is going like right there. Lastly, about the same one as the sparkling one, it just so happened that this one has a pearl right there. So this is called the Pandora Hooks Pearl. Just so nice. Do I have this already? Yes, I do have it already. I have that right here. So this is a backup. Last but definitely not the least are these hanging earrings from Pandora. First one is this one, and this is called the Pandora lace silver earrings with cubic zirconia. As you notice, I also wore my rings my ring that matches these earrings. I I think they have I'm not sure if they have a necklace for this one because they do not have that, but I think they do. So yeah, that's about it. It's just so nice and pretty, and for like pretty occasions. If you wanted to be extra sparkly, then you can wear this one. I've been using this quite a lot. Yeah, I've probably seen this in a lot of my videos, but this is the first time that I'm really doing a haul video about it, and it's the hard to find Pandora Hidden Romance Rhodolite earrings. So this is just so lovely. This one has a necklace, some charms also. But yeah, this hanging earrings is just so pretty. Oh goodness. I think that this is also pretty versatile for me because I really love like longer earrings, and then this matches almost all of my outfits. So I'm really happy to have this one, and that I will not let go. Well, all of them I will not let go. I love my Pandora earrings. Last but definitely not the least is something that I was not able to find the name. So if you can help me, please go ahead and do so. This is rare. Oh God. But I'm really happy that I got this from here in Sweden from a retailer who used to sell Pandora before, and he have lots of cool items. So yeah, we have here a flower with a cubic zirconia in the middle, and then we have a rock crystal right here. I love wearing this because my birthday is April, and my birthstone is crystal and diamond. So yeah, those clear stones are my jam or my birthstone. So yeah, that, oh my gosh, I've been wearing this for quite a lot also. I think I have the necklace for this one too. So yeah, that's about it for all of my Pandora earrings haul. Alright, so I am going to show you how to do a basic composed earring design. So we have here the hook, we have a charm and another charm, and I have these two things that are not Pandora because I do not want to lose any of my composed earrings anymore. I will show you how to use those things. So first I have to put this lace charm right there. And then now I can put this one. And this is actually from my collection already. And this is a Pandora Charm that is a quartzite. Yeah. So we put it like this. And it's just gonna be a very pretty design. So yeah. And it's going to be like so. And then these are some silicone plastic ones that are usually found on like earrings that you could buy actually everywhere. But you can buy a lot of these things also from, like, let's say, eBay or AliExpress. But yeah, I got this from my other earrings, and then I always want to make sure that I have that, especially when I'm wearing this type of earrings, so I do not lose anything anymore. So that's about it. And then we can also do like a much more crazier stack. Like for example, and I think I have to borrow this one right here. Because if it's a much more plain, then we can use the other charms that we have. Like for example, this one, and it will be a cute match because both of them has this like bubbly design. So if I put like so and like so, then it's just a cool double teardrop design. And otherwise, we can also put, of course, another item right here. Okay, so let me just grab this one. Okay, and then we can put another charm like this, so it will be like the focal point, and it's going to be like so. If you have another one of this teardrop that are plain, then you can put that also behind it, so it has more character to it. But it could be just like this also. And there you have it, everybody. I am able to finally share with you my Pandora Collective Earrings haul that have been sitting here for quite some time already. And then soon I will be showing you some other hauls that I have here with me that I haven't shared with you. So yes, soon. So stay tuned for that. And I hope that you like this video and give me a thumbs up. Let's continue the conversation down below. Thank you for watching Fierceless, and please check out my Treasure Tuesdays video next week, and it will be about this, my Pandora earrings collection, featuring my Pandora stud earrings, and also my compose and hanging earrings. See ya, and remember to stay fierce and fly high. I love you all.